Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken soup in an instant pot. These are the ingredients. First, just put the chicken in here and then add onions. Then add 3 cups of water and 2 cups of water. And now I can add the garlic and peppercorn, half a teaspoon of salt. Now stir well. Right, so now everything is ready. So it's just to close it. Okay. And then here, where it says pressure cook, there. So you have, of course, here you have chicken here. There, it says 15, but I'm not going to use that because I'm going to put the vegetables. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to do the custom, which is the first one here, custom, and you're just going to choose 5 minutes. So let's go to 5 minutes. Here, so here's 5 minutes. Now you press, and there you go. Just wait for it to finish, and then after that we'll add the vegetables. So now it's finished. I'm going to give it 2 minutes and then do a quick release straight away. Okay, let's do a quick release. There you go. So now we can open it. So let's go back again and check. Let's see. Okay. There you go. So as you can see, it's not quite there done yet, but it's fine. So now I'm just gonna add now. So this is the chicken stock because it's nice and lovely and hot, so it's going to be able to dissolve it nicely. And now the next thing, tomatoes. You just add the tomatoes there. Add the vegetables here. Add them here now. All the vegetables, add it there. And I'm going to add, if you have like, I just run out of cinnamon stick, but this is what I have. And definitely you can put here cardamom. And it's always good to count how many, because I need to just make sure I know how many of them. And if you have a bigger one, is better. So this is 5. So this is it now. So I'm just gonna just make sure everything is in. I'm gonna add now the cumin and coriander. Okay, pepper. Just gonna give it a stir. That's it, not much. And now let's close it properly. There you go. Now this is ready, and it's ready. Yeah. So now, so custom again, just and then press. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it, and then once it's cooked, we leave it for about 10 minutes, and that's it. Then after that, we can open it. Now it's safe to release the steam. Wow, how lovely is that? It's done, and I can see that. Let's check the chicken. Definitely this chicken is cooked. Now the last thing is for you, if you want the soup a little bit thicker, then you can put it on saute and leave it maybe for 5 minutes to just boil up a little bit. But that's up to you. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. So you can press this, which is saute. It's going to be high, so 5 minutes. So let's add another 1 minute. 5, and then we can start. Okay, just let it just boil just for 5 minutes. And then after that we can serve it. Okay, right, so now I actually don't want it to boil any longer, so I'm just gonna serve mine now. So I just need to switch off everything, just cancel, and then that's it, really. Everything is done. It's a shame though, isn't it, that the potatoes, the only thing you see is just a tiny little bit of potato. They're all broken. Anyhow, that's it. بالهنا والشفا.